Check out this lifetime deal from softwaretrailers.com. Today, we are presenting an amazing deal for Thunder Content. Have you ever suffered from writer's block? Are you stressed about your content that is due later? Wouldn't it be great if there was an easy method to have all your writing done for you so you could focus on the business side of things? Try Thunder Content. For only $59, you can create unique articles instantly. Thunder Content utilizes artificial intelligence to assist you in creating original articles on several topics in minutes. Thunder Content employs artificial intelligence to quickly produce high-quality written content that engages your audience. Make articles in 25 languages while maintaining proper grammar, syntax, and tone. Thunder Content's simple interface includes a powerful AI language generator that can instantly automate all of your writing needs. Thunder Content's technology builds relevant, interesting articles on themes that will bring traffic to your business using the keywords you specify. Simply enter a keyword to generate an article complete with a title, outline, and introduction. You don't have to worry about copywriting and content for your growing business. You don't even need to hire a professional content writer. Write meaningful, strong articles and blog entries about any subject in minutes with Thunder Content. Maximize the potential traffic Thunder Content might create on your page. The more visitors you have, the more money you can earn. What are you waiting for? Get Thunder Content now. Save time and money with Thunder Content. Lifetime deal for Thunder Content starts at only $59. Save as much as $1,000 and get lifetime access if you avail our deal now. Click the link in the description below and check out more details about Thunder Content. Go over our collection of current software lifetime deals available on the top right of your screen. Catch special deals that's right for you. Hit like and subscribe to get our latest software deals and so much more. Thanks for watching. See you next time.